Okay, so in this video I will unbox these Blitzwolf BW-FYE2 True Wireless Bluetooth 5.0 headphone set. These are true wireless from Banggood. You can buy them at Banggood. And after this unboxing I will try them, and later on in this video I will also show you some specs. So you will find links down below in the description text to where you can buy these, and you will also find a promo code there, so try that out to buy these even cheaper. So let's start with an unboxing then. An ordinary box from Blitzwolf. Nice. So here is the wireless headphones and the charging case, the charging box for that. And here are some USB cable. An micro USB cable to charge these, and here are some different sized ear plugs for different kinds of ears. What's more in the box? Sticker and some user manual, how to set it up and so on. Nice. But let's see the earphones itself. Let's remove this. And here we have the charging case. As you can see, micro USB. There. And hinge to open it. The Blitzwolf logo. So let's open it. And here we have the earpieces, true wireless headphones. So when you remove this later on, when you have paired it to your phone, then they get automatically on and paired to your phone. And you can use only the right or only the left if you want, and then it will be automatically mono sound in these. So that's really nice. These earpieces will have this size of an AirPod. You can of course change that to another size. Nice. Feels very light in your hand, and very good build quality. So let's check them out, how easy it is to pair them and so on, and the sound quality and all that. Okay, so it was very easy to pair these. Just search for them on your phone and they get paired. So very easy to do that. Okay, so here are the specs for the Blitzwolf BW-FYE2 True Wireless Bluetooth headset from Banggood. It's actually Blitzwolf that makes these, but you can buy them from banggood.com, of course. And you can find links down below in the description text of this video where you can buy it, and also with a promo code for it. But let's start with some images of it. And as you can see, it looks kind of beautiful. The case, the charging case works great actually. And they are very small and light, so they feel good in your ear. These are actually very good, I think. And here we have a charging case. So every time you put these into the case, they start to charge, and that's very convenient. And if you take one out, you can listen to audio with just one, and then it will be automatically in mono. So a bit of waterproofing there. And here it is how it looks when you have them in your ear. Very nice. So let's see some more info. As you can see, it's Bluetooth 5.0. That's nice. And you can take calls and so on, and IPX5 waterproof, charging box, and very comfortable, and magnetic absorption. Nice. 10-meter connection range. And Siri and Bixby compatibility. And you have about 10 hours of listening time for music, and 3 hours with Bluetooth 4. So 10 hours with Bluetooth 5 and 3 hours with Bluetooth 4. Okay. And here is how it's built, as you can see. Very nice. The sound quality was okay, actually. Not so good bass though, but the rest was very nice. Very nice in the high areas of the frequency and mid areas. Very good. So, very nice. And here are some more images. Waterproofing, passive noise cancelling, one button control. You can play, pause, wake up Siri with just a tap. Very nice. Pocket size, comfortable, durable, lightweight, and very easy to use, actually. Very easy. So these headphones I actually recommend, but more for listening to audiobooks and articles that I listen to in Pocket or in Voice Dream Reader, for example. And Pocket podcast, of course. It's excellent for podcasts. Very nice for that. So, here we have some specs, as I promised. Looks nice. Okay. So go check the links out in the description text and where you can buy these. And please like this video. Okay. Bye.